Hello there. You're early. Well, you don't know me, I'm Matthew. Want to join me for my morning walk? So I like to walk around and get some supplies for our little lab. Hey, what's this? It's free. Nice microwave. It's nice. We can totally use this. You know what they say? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Oh, there's some more trash on the porch. Let's go help them out with that. This is some heavy trash. Should become good stuff. All right, pretty good haul. Let's see what we have inside. Just need a box cutter. Oh, all right, I have one. Some cleaning acid, oh. So we had a little problem here. The alcohol was leaking all over the place. It looks like it was damaged during shipping. Amazon, seriously. Let's see what else we have. Another box, an box cutter. Oh, Amazon. It's damaged in shipping again. Let's get to the point. The big stuff. It's heavy. Means it's valuable. It's open.
Eventually,
We purchased the Anycubic Proton Mono X from Amazon, as well as its corresponding wash and cure station. The Anycubic is affordable yet functional and reliable resin 3D printer. The printer was able to start printing within an hour of unboxing, and within 3 hours we obtained our first functional part. We are very excited to produce new content using our new tools. This SLA printer is going to be a fantastic add-on to our lab. We had a great time filming this episode. Let me know if you enjoy skits like this and if you would like to see more in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jenkins Robotics. One man's trash and another man's treasure. Oh, they have more trash up there. Let me help them out. Run! Run! Free workers!